Bonjour, bonjour, welcome to this new video. Something that's always surprised me is how so many of my students over the years that were advanced still had a hard time with not only numbers but also the alphabet, the letters of the alphabet. So I know that the French alphabet can be kind of tricky and sometimes the letters can be kind of misleading. But so we're going to work on this so that you don't have to worry about it as much. And practice makes perfect. So let's go. C'est parti. I'll spell out 5 words. I'll repeat each word twice, the spelling twice, so make sure you take notes, and you can pause the video if you want to, and then we'll go over the answers in the second part of the video. C'est parti. Number 1. D, O, U, C, H, E. Again. D, O, U, C, H, E. Number 2. Y, E, U, X. Again. Y, E, U, X. Number 3. M, O, Q, U, E, 2T, E. Again. M, O, Q, U, E, 2T, E. Word number 4. L, U, M, I, E accent grave, R, E. Again, it's L, U, M, I, E accent grave, R, E. And finally, fifth word, T, A, P, I, S. Again, the spelling is T, A, P, I, S. All right, let's go over the answers now. Number 1. D, O, U, C, H, E. Again. D, O, U, C, H, E. Number 2. Y, E, U, X. Again. Y, E, U, X. Number 3. M, O, Q, U, E, 2T, E. Again. M, O, Q, U, E, 2T, E. Word number 4. L, U, M, I, E accent grave, R, E. Again, it's L, U, M, I, E accent grave, R, E. And finally, fifth word, T, A, P, I, S. Again, the spelling is T, A, P, I, S. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And don't forget that we have live classes on a regular basis. So check out the description or the link here or there. Click on it and you get more information. You can sign up. And if you don't have time, you can take the self-study course. You can either subscribe monthly or you can purchase any package that you want. Remember, this is only a drop of water in an ocean of information, which is all in the course. It's absolutely fantastic. You'll have plenty of lessons that were probably unclear until now and that will make sense all of a sudden. And we have plenty of lessons on very important structures that we use every day that don't exist in any other book. So don't waste another minute. Go to the description, go get the course, and I'll see you at Language City and you will see what it's like to speak like a native. Allez, à bientôt. Salut.